Welcome back. In this video, we are going to be continuing with the operations in the Starkling challenge. Operations 1, it says integer types implement basic comparison and arithmetic operators. Fail 252 operations should be avoided where possible, as they could have unwanted behavior. Um, it is for programmers for Cairo. You're already becoming a Cairo. It is actually very recommended to use the integer data types when you can, instead of using fail 252 type, right? And that is because integer types comes with added security features that provide extra protections against potential vulnerabilities in your code, right? Such as the overflow and underflow checks, right? So it is advisable for you to use integer types as much as possible than using the fail 252 data type, right? So let's solve this challenge. So it says we have the function poly, which takes in u size of that's 32 bits while as well, and it returns the same size. It says fill me, do not change this. It returns rest, do not change it. So what do we need to do? What do we need to do? Um, for operations in Cairo, you can perform additions, multiplications, subtractions, modulus, right? And which other one? Those basic arithmetics, division. You can do it with in Cairo in your code. So what were we supposed to do? Okay, return the solution of x raised to power of 3 plus y minus 2. Okay, so how do we go about this? Right, so we have x times x times x, right, plus y minus 2, but we need to assign like let rest equals to this, and then with the semicolon. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yes, and that's compiled. Let's move to the next solution. The next challenge. So it says Cairo has native integer types. I already made mention of this in primitive types. U8, U32, up to U56. U size which supports more operators than felt. And always watch for overflows, e.g. in the last test. Let's try to use them. So let's perform modulus. Calculate the modulus of x and y. Feel me? Okay, so let's say let rest equals to it's returning u8. So the type of rest is obviously u8, x modulus y. Yeah, feel me? Let rest equals floor division. So the floor division is right. Multiplication, we have rest equals to x multiplied by y. Okay, let me now put space, right? I think, yeah, that's all. So that should be all. Yes, and that passed. And this has bring us to the end of operations in the Starkling challenge. In the next video, we are going to continue with control flow. Thank you for watching.